Alright guys, New Age Tactical back with another video. A little bit different than what we've been doing. You see in the previous, we have done a couple upgrades. We did the Terran Tactical +2 on this. We are clear, so seeing this is pretty much my EDC. I went out and bought the Streamlight TLR-6 non-laser. I don't really see a need for a laser. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we're gonna dive into this. We're gonna put it on the gun, see how hard it is, and probably time lapse it because it might take me a little bit to figure it out. Knife. Side note: I am a bigger dude, so I did order a special holster for the weapon. Took a little bit. That'll be a whole nother video, but I did call today and I asked them where the hell it was, and they told me it'll arrive in 2 to 3 days. Alright, so right off the bat, it does come with your little Allen key.
I was just going to say respect on bringing the tool with it.
Your light system, and then your 2 batteries. Let's see. I don't know. Do I have to read the instructions? I don't know. Switches on both sides. Pretty straightforward. You drop the battery compartment here.
What's the lumens on it?
I don't want you to check while I'm around here. Alright, so the biggest thing is getting this door released. Damn. Damn, I knocked it back in. There we go. Alright. As far as it looks, it's pretty simple, as in the way of, again, clear. You put your one side on, positive up, positive up. You put in your, pretty much your housing, or whatever you want to call it. Oh, well, you can actually put the batteries in afterwards. Okay. So you basically slide the one side on, then slide the second side on, and then put your screws back in.
It already looks pretty badass.
It does, dude. It's like some shit out of fucking Hellboy or The Matrix.
100 lumens, 89 meters beam distance.
Oh, we're gonna do a flashlight test on it.
Oh, hell yeah. On Amazon, it's currently $99.43.
I didn't pay that much.
Okay, but yeah, Amazon currently, it went up in price.
I tightened up the 3 screws. This thing's not moving, and like it almost feels like part of the gun. Battery compartment's a little bit of a bitch, but I guess you don't want your batteries falling out, so that's not too bad. Positive up. And positive up. The instructions say positive up and positive up. That's what the instructions say.
Reverse it. Positive up on the gun or positive up when the gun is upside down?
I don't know, these instructions aren't that clear. Not bad. All right. You know what? Let's clear the mag. So
yeah, 100%. Get full weight.
Gun is clear. That's a pretty badass looking gun.
How is it reaching for the light for your fingers? Can you do it one-handed? Ooh!
It doesn't really interfere. Like, it does wrap around the trigger guard here. You don't really feel it, though. Anywhere where you're going to be pressing your trigger, that's really not in the way. The way that looks with the extended mag, the +2, it looks pretty badass.
My mind, for some reason, is going to Total Recall.
Or like RoboCop, you know what I mean?
Yeah, like slightly futuristic, but not too far into the future.
And like, you turn the light on, it's 100 lumens. It just feels good. It's not adding too much weight on the front. It doesn't feel like... you don't really notice it's there until bam, light, bam, off. And it's also ambidextrous, so you can do it on either side.
I do like that aspect of it.
Like you said, it is one-handed operated. You kind of do have to adjust your hand a little bit to operate it, but if you're in that spot where you're going to be needing a flashlight, you're always going to have your secondary up there. I guess we got to look at what else we can do to this little bitch.
It's pretty damn good for only 3 things.
Make it a Gucci Glock. You know what I mean? That's what they call it when they do all that stuff to it.
The weight distribution, like, I don't feel like I'm leaning forward.
No.
You know what I mean? Like,
sick-ass setup. As far as the previous video that we've put up about this, I was a little skeptical because it was a little hard, but now that it's a little beat in, the spring's a little beat in, the mag, the +2 base plate is awesome. You can hear a difference,
by the way.
Oh, yeah.
When you first installed
Remember the first time I was like...
clack!
I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, this sucks. But I'll tell you, the only thing that sucks about it is when you're dropping a mag, you don't want this to fall on the floor.
No!
So, we're in a pitch black basement. Straight at the floor. 100 lumens. No settings, no changing anything, nothing like that. Looks pretty good.
It looks really good.
Bro, not for nothing. I don't know if the camera can pick this up.
It literally says Christmas 2019 on that box.
I
go
can see
down.
Fucking everything.
Okay, now we'll go a little bit up.
That back wall.
I'm picking it all up.
Like, it illuminates the sights on.
Yeah. 3, 2. 3, 2.
In conclusion, here, this thing's pretty fucking badass.
I like it.
All right. So here's my thoughts. I like the way it looks on the gun. I like the way it lights up. It makes the sights visible. I tried to show it on the camera, but it was kind of impossible with the lens we have.
It's somewhat of a usable shot.
Yeah, but it's rough though. The way it lights up the background, it makes the sights perfect where you can see them to the point where you can make a
well-placed shot.
A well-placed shot by looking down the sights. It's not like you're just shooting in the dark here. What the f*** was that?
Damn.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Alright. So, anyway, everything I've done to the gun so far, I really like. I like the Talon grip. I love the base plate. And I love the flashlight.
And I think 100 lumens is plenty to get the job done. 100
lumens because this is strictly to light up what you're going to shoot at. Like, this is not to light up anything else.
Ooh, what the hell type of batteries are those? That's my one question.
That's the one thing that's throwing me off a little bit because they are insert fresh 1/3N batteries. So I guess we got to kind of look up what the pricing on 1/3N batteries are.
$14 for a 6-pack.
I'm getting $3 for
$16 for a 10-pack.
Yeah, Amazon's $12 for a 3-pack of them. They're not super common batteries. So,
Biggest downfall.
With this size, you can't expect it to take a AAA. You can't expect it to take a fucking...
Yes.
So,
but watch batteries, I'm assuming we're not strong enough.
Pretty fucking badass. Pretty Judge Dredd style.
There you go. Maybe Judge Dredd. All right.
Hot shot. This is not loose at all. It looks like it belongs on the gun. It doesn't hang off. It doesn't leave you with any grooves. Everything connects well. It looks like it belongs there. It doesn't look like something you added on crazy stupid. It sits behind the barrel, so you don't have to worry about any of that. We're trying all sorts of new stuff. Like, subscribe, hit the little bell thing that shows you notifications when we post videos. Other than that, I mean...
Follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram. New Age Tactical.
Over and out.